Hi guys, welcome back. I'm here with another story time, and we're going to be eating some mini tropical Tada fruit roll-ups. I love fruit roll-ups. And we got another story time, my creepies. So this one is another warning. This is about a baby. This just happened Monday actually, and I don't know if you've heard about it, but wow. I don't know. To me, it doesn't really add up, but let's see what you all think after hearing. So on Monday, these parents had their 2-month-old little baby, and they were co-sleeping with her. So I think that by the way the story went, that she was sleeping in between them. Which makes it even more confusing. Am I the only one that loves fruit roll-ups? The parents say that after sleeping with their child, their newborn, 2-month-old newborn, that they were awoken by movement that was not like a baby's movement. 2-month-old baby isn't going to move a whole lot, but I say they were awoken and a baby was on the floor. It's like chewing bubble gum. And the baby had injuries consistent with bite marks from a dog, and the dog was nearby. So the baby did die from the injuries. It was more than just one bite. It was apparently a lot of bites and wounds. The baby did die. So they say that the first responders went in and found no evidence that it was anything other than a tragic accident, a dog mauling. So here's where I go into thinking. And tell me, you too. If a dog gets on the bed, pulls the baby off the bed, starts attacking the baby on the bed, would you not wake up? You're going to feel that, right? I do believe they said the dog was a Belgian Malinois. So that's a decent sized dog. Plus, the baby would cry. But how did you not wake up? And realize that your baby was being attacked and do something. If I'm being perfectly honest, my kid slept in the bed with me sometimes. But I'm a super light sleeper. I can hear a pin drop. My kids will tell you now. They can not get away with anything. Not opening the fridge. Not turning on a light without me saying, who's up? But when they were babies, I was fully aware that they were in the bed. That if anything was moving, I knew it. They were moving, I knew it. And I was up. So these parents are saying that this dog gets on the bed, attacks their baby, or pulls it off the bed, and attacks it, I guess, on the floor, and they don't hear any cries. don't feel any movement until it's too late. See, the first part of the story was they felt movement, and so the baby is on the floor. You didn't wake up from the first movement of the baby being drugged to the floor or attacked or crying. Here we go again, guys. Crazy, right? So tell me what you think. I'm not buying this story. Seems to me like it's more than what's being said. I love fruit roll-ups. And I just ate all these. Yes, I did. Alright, guys. Let me know. Give me some feedback. What do you think? Think about it. I'll answer. Let's comment. Let's see. Alright, guys. My fellow creepies. Alright, guys. Take care. I'll see you soon for another video. Be sure and like, subscribe. Bye.